Today I'm going to show you how to install the luggage net on the Mercedes GLC 300. As you can see, I have installed it. What you want to do is, first, you want to open this up, like so. Then you want to pull out the false bottom, and then take the elastic pieces, as you can see, and connect them on one side, and then connect it on the other side. It's kind of tight, but if you do it evenly, it should be pretty easy, and then you can adjust. And then once you do that, you'll have it like this, but make sure, because once you pull out, you're going to see an exposed screw here and an exposed screw there. So when you're putting the floor back, you want to make sure you click it in. So you're going to push, you got to put a little heat into it and push it. And then once it clicks in, there you go. 1, 2, 3, very easy.